Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. I haven't forgotten about my Use It Up Friday videos. I know a lot of you are enjoying those. The reason I haven't made one is because I haven't had any time to make anything to create the scraps to use. So they'll be coming again very soon. But what I'm doing today is I'm doing something a little bit different. For those of you who didn't realise or didn't know, I've been having a big stash sale of all my retiring Stampin' Up stuff and some other bits and bobs on my paper crafting Facebook page, which is Crafty Little Paper Things on Facebook, which I'll link in the description below. And I've sold tons of stuff. Lots of people have got themselves a little bargain, and it's all used stuff. Well, most of it's used stuff, but it's been looked after well. Where it's been battered, I have said so, but there's a few bits still left, and I thought, do you know what, I'm gonna do a couple of projects using some of the bits that are left before they go, because some of them I've found it hard to part with. So I'm just going to show you a couple of little bits and bobs I've made using some of these that are ready to go. Now you can pick up stamp sets including postage to the UK for about £7. Cupcake. Right, using Hello Cupcake, I created this little 4x4 card. I've been using up some of my pre-made cards as well, so I've used up a lot of these 4x4s. I've used up some DSP. I sold tons of DSP, really good to clear that out, and then I'd cleared it all out and then I found another stack. So the other stack's going to go soon as well when I can get around to sorting it out. And I just used the same card to print out the cupcake and Celebrate Your Day. I used Melon Mambo Pink, which is one of my favourite colours, and I used Pineapple Punch here and Emerald Envy for the cupcake case. So that's that one. Very simple, easy, some retired Stampin' Up DSP there. For this is a bundle, and I'm selling this for £20, and that's including postage, and the reason is because this is so heavy. I've had real fun with this bundle, and as you can see, the stamps are all there. There's a little bit of staining to some of the stamps. I have cleaned all of the stamps with the Stampin' Scrub. There's a little bit of staining because some of the colours are very pigmented. Most of the stamps are in their original sort of packing, and I haven't stuck the stickers on the majority of them. And the punch works perfectly well. And with this one, I made this cute little card. Again, it's a 4x4. I used, can you see that's got little slices of lemon? I used some retired DSP, a little piece of white, and I printed again using Pineapple Punch. I printed onto the white the sentiment, and then I printed another one, stamped another one, and used the cutter to cut it out, the punch to cut it out, and the leaves, and stamped Live It With Zest on top, again in Cucumber Crush. So that's that one that I made with that. Then this thank you one, I've had this for ages. I think I bought this on resale, and I've just never used it. It was used by the previous owner. That's already got the stickers and everything on it. And this is, I think I'm selling this for £2 or something. But now I'm thinking, do I want to sell it? Because look what I made with it. Can you see that? Absolutely gorgeous. A piece of DSP. This is a 6x6 card. Some lovely ribbon there from Stampin' Up. A little Stampin' Up gem. I'm selling some of those as well. And I heat embossed that in white. How gorgeous is that? Very, very simple to do. And then finally, this gorgeously cute set that I bought on resale myself, which is called Little Friends, and it is just the cutest. Look at that. The only thing that's missing is this flower stamp is missing. Yeah, and the only other problem with this is it's a wood mount, and these are so heavy, so they cost more to send. which makes them a little bit more expensive. But I made this cute little card. Look at that. Hello friend. And it's in like an old typeface, like when we used to use typewriters. And I've just used an aqua blender there to just colour it in using Crumb Cake, Melon Mambo and Daffodil Delight. So yeah, that's that little, how cute is that? So you could be making these cards yourself if you wanted to pop over and buy these stamp sets. I think altogether, if you were to buy all of these, I think you'd be looking at probably about £30, something like that, maybe less. But you can always make me an offer. I'm open to an offer because if I don't sell them, they're just all going to go into a bundle on eBay. And I don't really want to do that. It'd be nice to know that they were sort of selected individually to bring some joy. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.